Hey, what's up, Ecomi holder? Ecomi holder, this is very urgent update for all Ecomi holder, because especially holders starting doing very big mistakes. So therefore, don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss, my brother. You know what's the mistake? As you can see, my brother, this time the way the Ecomi is completely starting moving upwards. So I think this is very good news for all of you, my brother. You can see here, my brother, the last 7 chart is on the screen, and this time you can see here they absolutely negative, but the last 1 day, the last 1 hour chart change occur will be positive. So it's mean to Ecomi is going to be profit, but if you are doing this mistake, absolutely the starting fails down and they cannot give you a profit. You know what's the mistake? Everything I will tell you, but kindly before I get started video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Kindly subscribe this channel. This time you can see the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this time in the last 1 hour you can see minus 0.06% this fails down. So I think this is very bad news for all of you, my brother. You can see here today fails down, but I think this is short fails, so don't see this short fail, my brother. You can see here this is short fail, so don't see. All right, so if we check out the last 7 days chart, then we understand, my brother, to upcoming time there is a chance to they moving upward or not. This time, if you can say, my brother, they fails down, especially because, my brother, you can see here all holders starting selling. So you can see in the May 28, the May 29, every graph is moving up like a rocket, but definitely they fails down. So this is very big mistake to holders to they are starting selling. Definitely if you are starting selling, then they fails down and they cannot give you a profit, my brother. So try to understand, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. You know why they fails down? Absolutely, as a short-term investor starting selling. So you can see here after a short fail, every graph is moving upward like a rocket. So this time you can see here after May 31, you can see May June 1 and June 2 and absolutely June 3, my friends, they're moving upward. So it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances they will move upward, but don't see this short fail. Does this short fail? When a holder see this short fail, absolutely they decide to this is selling time, but definitely this is very big mistake to you starting selling. So don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time.